Hi folks, Rick here. Just want to do a quick video today on success. That's the word of today, success. Okay, so if you read my book, Success is a Verb, there it is again, success. I like to call it habit replacement therapy. All of us are a sum total of what we do every day. So in order to be successful, some of us need to change what we're doing on a daily basis. Okay, it's not that complicated. I mean, it's a really simple process. Now, successful people are usually a little fearless too, not meaning that they don't have fear or they're void of fear. It means that they feel the fear and they do it anyway. Okay, so if I want to be successful, I start with the end in mind, knowing that some of the stuff I need to do is going to make me uncomfortable. Okay, and then I backfill the activities. Like if I want to close 50 deals, I got to talk to X amount of people. I should be doing this on social media. You should be taking my success series coming up in a few weeks in all three markets. Okay? So those types of things, okay? In order to be successful, I have to have all kinds of energy. What am I doing to keep my energy up? Real estate requires energy. And if, like working out, like eating right, those types of things, they're all critical, okay? I have to work on my communication skills. Simple things like speaking with a downswing, not speaking down to people, but finishing sentences on a downswing, open-ended questions. Okay, repeat and approve. There's a process that I teach in Success Series that makes you a supreme communicator. Okay, and then understand, this is the buzzword of failure. Okay, failure, oh, is that the opposite of success? I don't believe so. Failure is necessary to be successful. A lot of people want to avoid failure. You have to fail in order to succeed. Okay, and I could give you example after example of sports and so forth. Even the best baseball players, they bat 300, which means they fail 2.5 times as many times as they do at the plate. So failure isn't bad. It's necessary to be successful. Hopefully this helps. See you in Success Series soon. Thanks for your time.